everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another new book release. There have been a lot for the month of March. Although if you follow coloring book release trends, March, April, and October tend to be the hottest months for releases. August can get a little busy as well. So just FYI on that if you're ever curious. But this is the latest from Kerby Rosanes. It is called Reflections. First of all, I love the cover. It's a little different, you know, from his usual, the black covers, but most of his compilation books have the white. But this is a compilation of images from Alien Worlds, Anamorphia, Phantomorphia, Fragile World, Geomorphia, Imagimorphia, Mythic World, Mythomorphia, and Worlds Within Worlds. Whew. That's a lot to say. So let's take a look. Now, the beginning of the book will have, excuse me, pages already colored by others. So this is like really smooth paper. Ooh, I like this. This color theory thing's actually pretty cute. For those who don't know color theory, that's pretty neat. Ooh, this is new too. So he's even got like little ways to play with color. Nifty. Okay, so we have this one here that was colored by someone. I'm sure, usually it might be in the back. I'm just double checking. I don't see it, but yeah, this is gorgeous, by the way. Love the way the colors are in that one. Ooh, check out this one and how they colored it. That's so pretty. I like how they did like a spring and then a fall, or like a light versus dark. It's actually pretty cool. Ooh. I like that color contrast. The background is beautiful. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so it's got the names of people who colored those. Looks like John Bigwood did 2 of them. Oh, I like that too. The contrast to the blue versus orange. Really pretty. Oh, those are pretty too. I'm always amazed at what people create. Angel Color Art that has done a few that are featured in here. Let's see. The one that's on the cover is from Lauren Farnsworth. That's neat. I always love seeing these ones. So yeah, like I said, compilation of all those books I listed. It's basically kind of like the best of the best, but some of those are older, so they will have hidden objects. That little annoyance. I'm surprised the rooster one's in here. But now seeing it in here, I'm kind of want to color it. Does that make me weird? Now, you don't have to buy the compilations, obviously. If you have the original books these come from, it's kind of overkill. I just buy them because I like Kerby and I wanted to collect his work. And it's kind of fun sometimes to see what ends up in these compilation books. Like what was so popular. But yeah, these are all images you've seen before. I've always meant to color this one. But now I have 2 chances to color it. This one I always avoided because it was one of his earlier days with lots of doodles and annoyances. Same with these 2. There's ways around that, of course. I forgot about that one. That is a pretty one. More doodlies. This is from Worlds Within Worlds. Very popular image, colored by a lot of people. I still have not colored it because I have it in my head, but can't figure it out. This is one I'm surprised would be in here. Must be more popular than I thought. That one's pretty cool. These I've seen done a lot, so I could see why they're in here. Ooh. So much I would want to do with this page. Trying to get these to open a little more. Don't want to completely break the spine. I like this one. I believe I started this one in the original book, but I can't remember. Started it or thought about starting it. Sometimes the lines get blurred for me. Always wanted to do these ones. Great paper still, as always, nice and thick. These take water really well. Marker. I love to color with ink tints and water-based or water-soluble pencils, mostly in Kerby stuff. Otherwise, it's Prisma. Ooh, that's nice. It's always fun to see what ends up there. So I know I've done this one. No, I started this one. Did I finish it? I don't know. I did it with ink tints, though. I think that's in Mythomorphia. Here's the bird. Always makes me think, gosh, now I need to go back to the original book and see why I never colored that page. Here's that one. I've always wanted to color this one. I've just always been sitting there like, how do I want to do it? Do I want to do it the same? Do I want to do like a, a posing type of thing? Like one time I had the idea of this being all pinks and yellows and oranges, and then this being all black, purple, and blue, like really dark. I don't know, but the idea flickers in and out. So this page I've always avoided because for the fact that I will be here till next year coloring it. Maybe not as much if I tackled it with like ink tints, but still it's a lot. So is this one. Some of his pages, I'm telling you, like, you got to be ready to devote a few months of your life. Especially at the rate I've been coloring lately. So busy with work, kids, diamond painting, which isn't really keeping me busy. It's just where I go. Oh, this is a shame. A lot of his stuff gets cut in the middle. That's one reason I tend to use ink tints or watercolor pencils, because I can kind of just activate it in there. I do hate that though, because it really does kind of jar the artwork. This one I'm surprised to see in here only because I swear it's in his other compilation book. However, I've seen so many beautiful like versions colored of this that I'm just always like, oh, how am I going to do it for myself? Got ideas, but not ready to execute. I remember this one. This one looks so simple, yet would take so long. I do want to tackle it with ink tints. I mean, you could get your shading out a lot quicker. Yeah, I mean, there's options. So that is Reflections. Again, compilation book. If you already own all of those other ones, then there's really no reason to buy this. However, if you're like me and you just want to collect them, or it's kind of fun to just see what ends up in a compilation, there you go. Let me know if you did spend money on this and get this one, or if you just kind of held off because it is a compilation. I'm always curious who buys what and why. But thanks for hanging out with me and watching this. And until next time, take care. Bye now.